Hello guys.
Hello.
How are you today?
Not good.
So today we are with our good friend Ray,
Yes.
our Forex and financial expert. And first we would like to make a review of what we saw
Last week.
Yeah. Right? Okay, so last week we defined what is Forex.
Yes.
Can you make the definition again?
Yeah. For
in
the
simple words?
The forest based on the currency change.
Yeah.
We call the currency pair. As long as you use the money to the other money, it's called market. Yeah, it's currency market.
Right.
Yeah.
So we also talk about why we should trade Forex. Can you explain?
Yeah, based on we can use this market to make the money.
Right.
Because the exchange rate floating every day. We can use the floating and make the money. No longer it goes up or goes down, increase or decrease. We also can make the money in this market.
Right. And we also say that the Forex market has different hours depending on which market we want to trade.
Yes.
Right. For example, the Tokyo season is different as the London and US season,
yes,
etc., etc. Okay, so
I think it suits every people for the
right.
time.
And depending of which part of the globe you are living,
Yes,
part of the world.
Yeah.
And we also made some analysis, like very basic analysis about how to trade Forex.
Yes.
And the main tool we introduced this time is MT4.
Yes.
This program,
Yes.
right? You can use MT4 for smartphones, tablets, and computer.
Yes.
Right.
Like mobile equipment.
Do you want to say anything else about MT4?
It's just the tools.
Right.
Yeah, we will continue teach people how to use it.
Okay. That's perfect. And we end the video sharing some experience from our friend Ray.
Yes.
His trading experience, right?
So
can you tell them again?
So this week our topic is continue to move on, and you say the price goes very the gold price goes very high.
Yeah, actually I want to ask you about that.
Yes.
Because the gold, I realized that the gold price rise up to 1,300.
Yes, it's Monday.
Right, Monday. So I would like to ask you why this happened.
It's based on the trade war between China and the US.
The trade war.
Yeah, trade war. And I bring some the chart, and I will show you guys.
Oh, okay. Okay, so let's explain them.
Yes.
Why the gold
Price
rise up? The gold price rise up to 1,300, and as you say, this is because of the trade war between China and America.
Yes.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
Mela.
Hi. I already draw the picture between the Chinese and the US trade war. What's they related? First of all, trade war related to the stock market. We can see in the Monday, the US stock market fall down very quickly. Also the Chinese market, also the world market. So if the US market fall down, it's related to the interest rate. They may cut off. So in this market, we already see some word like the FED. For the government, they says maybe they are not increase the interest rate, they will decrease. So this is the reason why in the future the federal government may decrease the interest rate. So US dollar will fail. So that's what we see in the Monday, the US dollar fell down. Also, the inflation rate also falling, like the PPI, CPI, especially for the CPI. We remember this number is 2%. If the CPI below the 2%, the federal government may decrease the interest rate. So also, between the trade war, the market take the risk aversion So that's why in the Monday, the gold price will goes up very quickly to the 1,300. Also, this is in the gold market. In the currency market, we can see the Japanese yen is fell down USD to the JPY because it's increased the value of the Japanese yen in this market because all the reason is the risk aversion. This is the trade war take us. Also, in the oil market, we can see right now the oil market, the price flat. The reason why they go up or go down. First of all, between the trade war, the market was worried about the global slowdown. So this is why the gold price cannot go up very high. Also, why the oil price cannot go down? Because between the USA and the Iran conflict, maybe they are going to the war. Who knows? Remember, if they fight, go to the war, think about the oil price, think about the gold price, they will go to the sky. Suppose the oil price cannot go down, this is the reason oil price. So this is the trade war take us to the currency market and the gold market, also in the oil market. Guys, you know that?
Okay, my friend Ray. So, thanks for your explanation about the trade war. And now that we're talking about this, I would like to ask you, how does this trade war between China and America affect the Forex market? I'm talking about the currency pairs, right? Maybe we can mention the main currency pairs. What will happen with the main currency pairs like USD, Euro, Pound, Yen? How about the gold and the oil? Okay, let's talk about the US dollar first. Okay. We can see the chart here. In the Monday, the US dollar fell down very quickly, and we can see here this one. It stand up on the 19.7, which means on the 19.7 has very strong support for the US dollar. Right. And yesterday, the price continue goes up. For yesterday, I saw the Trump. It says between Chinese and America trade like a talk will continue. They are not break up. Right. They will continue to talk, continue to negotiation. And that's good news for the US dollar. Right. So that's why yesterday the US dollar continue goes up. Right. So for tonight, we need to mention in the 8:30, it's monthly US retail seller rate for this one. You need to remember that in the 8:30 monthly US retail seller rate of April. For the last month, the number is 1.6. In the market forecast, it's only 0.2. It dropped very quickly. Okay. But in the night, we see the number. If the number is bigger than the market forecast, the US dollar continue will goes up. Right. Yeah. So this is the the number we need to mention. Right. So we see the chart. For tonight, the lower support is in the 97.4. When the price drop on this point, we need know that in the later time it will continue goes up. Okay. We can see the index. This is called the KG index. It's already make the gold across, which means in the future the price may go up. So that's why the US dollar, in my opinion, in my analysis, will continue goes up. Okay. Also, we need to watch the news. If the trade war continue, if the negotiation breaks up, it will fall down again. Okay. So right now, so far so good. So that's why
analysis, US dollar will continue goes up. This is the US dollar. Also, you mentioned the euro.
Right.
Yeah. In the currency pair, only the euro, EUR, USD against the US dollar.
Right.
We also know that in the 1999, Mr. Mondale, they organized the euro. His purpose is against US dollar because we know US dollar in this global market is very strong, the biggest money in this world. So they want against. But right now,
they want to compete.
Yes, but right now, when the US dollar goes up, the euro must go down.
Right.
We also know that.
So if the negotiation, the trading war, let's say this, continue without breaking up anything, any negotiation, so the dollar will go up.
We already know.
Euro
will go down.
Okay.
So that's why I already said the US dollar will goes up. So if I do the daily trade for the euro, I use the sell. So see here, I already sell.
You mean Euro USD, this currency?
Euro USD, currency pair, EUR USD. I already sell it. Open account 3.5, and so far I just own the money. It's $25.
Okay.
I need to wait for the little bit down.
Right.
So that's why. For US dollar, we know it's go up. Euro goes down.
Okay.
Nice. So next currency pair,
pound. Okay, British pound. Let's see.
It's GBPUSD. We call it Great British Pounds. For the United Kingdom, we are also talk about the one topic right now. It's during maybe over the 1 years is the United Kingdom leaves the European Union. So we are also talk about this one. So if you want to do the trade for the GBPUSD, we only concerned about the news about the European Union. If they get the with the plan to leave, which means it's good for the pounds.
For that currency.
The pounds will goes up. If the news shows us they are without plan leaving the European Union,
it will keep flat or going down?
It's going down. So it's for sure. So we only need to watch the news. So we see the chart. Like see, in like during a week, it's also further down. So where is the support? We see here.
Support.
Support. The last lowest point. It's around 1.2865. So which means when the price continue goes down in the 1.2865, it may take the support because the last lowest point, and we take advantage here. So in right now the position, if you really want,
where is the support here? The support line.
Support line. You see, I can draw the line.
That would be
line. Horizontal. You see the red one.
So the support would be.
So this
the lowest
price for the last time. So this time we are in the 1.29.
We're above that.
We're above. Line. So we need to wait to the last lowest point. This is the support. If you really want to do the trade right now, it's short term, it goes down. But maybe in the future, maybe in the next week, it goes up again.
So we should wait until the price go down, maybe near the support line.
Yes, that's right. So this is why we discuss or analysis for the GBP. So for GBP, we don't need to consider the information about China and. We don't need it. We only need just for the European Union. How they with plan take off or without plan take off. Yes.
To leave or to stay.
Leave. They already leave. They already leave. Okay. So next currency pair is the Japanese yen.
Okay,
yeah, I already mentioned it.
Can you see the chart?
Yeah, we already see it.
This is Abe.
It's the USDJPY.
Right.
Yeah, it's called the Japanese yen.
Right.
Yeah, I already mentioned it for the trade war between Chinese and the US.
Yeah.
And the risk aversion. Yeah, the Japanese yen fell down, which means increased value. Also, we can see the chart.
Why the Japanese yen fell down?
Yeah, because like if between two countries, like the trade war, US dollar will fall down.
Right.
I already said US dollar is the biggest powerful money in this world.
Right. Currency.
We also know that if they go to the war, no matter the trade war or the real war, the currency must be the get down.
Right.
For the decrease, it's for sure.
Go down.
Yeah, it's not valuable. So Japanese yen take the advantage for the currency part. So it's take the risk aversion.
Risk aversion.
So that's why Japanese yen will fall down. But we mentioned it in the lowest support. It's 109.
Can we see here? Yeah. The lowest support. I got it.
Yeah.
When the Japanese yen reached that price?
Which price is Monday?
Okay.
Yeah, between the trade war. It's the lowest point is 109.
Right.
Also, we know the lowest point 109. So we see the maybe 2 or 3 days like the moving. If it goes down, it breaks up to the 109. The lowest must be the 108.
Right.
If the 109 gets the support, the price will goes up.
Okay.
So right now we are very hard to say it's continue to goes up or down.
Okay.
Also, we need to watch the news for the trade war.
Okay.
If everything goes fine, the price will goes up. USDJPY will goes up.
Right.
So we see the chart. So right now it's fall down. For the yesterday it goes up. For the Monday it goes down. For right now we are very hard to.
Right. So we have to wait
to forecast how they. Yeah. But remember the main point 109. If the price below the 109, they must go to 108.
Right.
If get the support, the price will goes up.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay, so how about the commodities? Let's talk about gold and gold first.
Yeah. So you are mentioning that it's in the Monday. It's already get the 1,300 point.
Right.
Yeah. So
can we trade?
Of course we can trade.
Okay.
No matter it goes up or goes down, we also can trade.
So what's the relationship between USD and gold? Can we do the...
Okay. In the world market, we use the USD to buy the gold.
Right.
Yeah. Also the price we can see, we find the chart.
Gold. Got it.
Yeah. We see this is the chart for the gold.
Yeah.
Right now the price is 1,298.
Yeah.
Around 1,300. It's the pressure. It's a pressure.
Because that was the highest price that reached the gold, right?
Yes. Yeah. In this moment, this is the pressure 1,300. If we do want to trade, we just can around 1,300 do the sale. Do the sale.
Right.
Because the price goes from 1,265 around there.
Yeah.
One time lowest point. Second time, lowest point, and get the standard, like the people have 2 feet.
Okay, right.
Like 2 feet. You stand on the ground and it goes up. So
I got it.
So lowest point goes up. And right now we are measuring the pressure 1,300. Yeah. If we want to do the trade, do the sell. Yeah.
For now.
And the first support at 1,290. This is the first support.
Right.
And the second support at the 1,280. Yeah. In the future, no matter what happened, the gold price will goes up. Okay. And in the short term, will fall down again.
Right.
So in this price, we are not like do the buying, we do the sell with the smart choice.
Right.
So that's why the gold price maybe in the short term will fall down.
I got it.
Yeah. So in here I already do the sell. We can see the price. So right now I do the trade. First of all, sell the Euro USD.
Yeah.
Second one is sell the gold, the XAD USD. XAU USD. So this is the strategy for the trade. I do the trade.
Okay, I see. So can we say that the gold, it moves the opposite than the USD?
Yes.
Always like that? Or?
Always that. But sometimes will happen to say goes up. Sometimes when the war happened. The real war happened.
The real war.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Because the shortage of the US dollar in the market, also the risk aversion.
Oh, yeah, right.
Take the gold price goes up. Only this time they will goes up together. Yeah.
Okay.
So most of the time they are go to the opposite way.
Okay.
When the US dollar goes up, like the gold price goes down.
Right.
Most time is that.
Most of it. Okay.
Yes.
So let's check the oil.
Oil.
Yeah. Oh, but let me ask you, because this month the oil price is I can see it's like almost flat.
Yes.
It's not moving that much.
Yes.
So should we still trade oil?
Yes, of course we have chance. First of all, I already explained the reason why the oil cannot go up very high, also cannot decrease. Because the reason for the first of all, markets are worried about the global slowdown. Second one, why the price cannot go down very far? It's because the USA and Iran maybe they're going to war. They support the oil price. Right now we see here, you said during maybe a month, it's always about like the 60, around 61, above and below, like going the flat.
Right.
I tell you the chance for the oil price. Remember, one point is 60.60. 60.60.
How is it?
Yeah.
Line oil.
Around here, 60, 60, and 60, 80.
Yeah.
Around this range, you every time when the oil price fell down, buy.
Because it's probably go up.
Yes.
After that.
Yeah. After that. Yeah. We see the future more. If the trade war continue, the oil price is not just 60, 70. We mentioned that.
You say if the trade war continues, the oil price will get
higher.
Okay.
Even over 100.
Okay.
But it's in the future, maybe several years later.
Oh,
okay. But right now, previously, every time we see the point 60-60, between 60-80, we do the buy. Because the oil, we see, most of the time, further down this point and it goes up. It goes up.
Right.
So we use this advantage. See, every time we see this point, we buy. So we still have a chance to trade oil. Even you cannot make a lot of money, but in the short term, it's guaranteed.
Right. Okay. So
this is the main currency.
Those are all the main currencies. Okay, perfect. How about the gold? As we know, the gold price, as we said before, rise up to 1,300, right? So is the gold price continue going up or not?
Let's see the gold price again. As I said, 1,300 is the pressure for this moment.
Yeah.
So maybe in the future time will goes up again. But in the short term, they will fall down first. So I already gave the 2 points.
Yeah.
One is 1,290.
Yeah.
This is the first support. And the second support is 1,280. When the price goes down this 2 points, you need to take care, not sell again.
Oh, right.
So right now is above or around 1,300. Don't sell. You can make the profits.
Okay.
In the future, the gold price will go up again, but in the short term will fall down.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got it.
Yep.
Okay, so thanks, Ray, for all this analysis.
Yeah, I think the main point can help more people.
Yeah. We wish all this information and economic calendar and analysis can help and reach many people.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Do you have something else to say? Anything else?
And if you guys have any question, you can ask. Yeah.
Where can I ask?
I will be happy to answer in the Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah, CPT Market. Also, we have the CPT education part.
Right.
Yeah. If you don't know so basic knowledge, you can go to the education part.
Right.
You can learn for the basic.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody. Thanks a lot, and we see you on next Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
So bye bye, guys. See you next Wednesday.